Well, hello and welcome. This is the first time I'm doing this, so hopefully it goes okay. I have had a few requests for doing tutorials. I've always loved doing my own nails, and when I post them, there's a lot of people who ask questions and want to know how I do things, so I thought that I would give this a try. So this is what my nails look like right now. I've got a little bit of everything going on here, so I thought that I would make several different videos to show a few different things. So I started out, a little background on me, falling in love with just regular old nail polish, polishing my nails once a week, and just having fun with it. And doing my nails has always been my me time, downtime, relaxation, meditation, whatever you want to call it. So I started out with nail polishes, and then I started following some people on Instagram and getting ideas for nail art and getting into that and stamping and all kinds of things. So that evolved into some gel polishes, and here recently, in the last year and a half or so, I've been doing dip powder, and I am part of a couple groups for dip powders on Facebook, and there's all different methods of applying this and removing it and reapplying and all that. So I am just going to share the things that I do. So what you're looking at right now is a manicure that was completely done, but based on some new experiments that I've been trying out. Some of them are not done, some of them aren't. So what I'm going to show you in this video in particular is the removal of these dip powder that are still left. So what you're actually looking at is these 5 nails are completely done from beginning to end. This nail is down to, we're going to say that it's down to the bare minimum. I actually have a very thin layer of builder gel on here because, I don't know if you can see it, but I actually have a break right across here, and I fixed it with builder gel. That will be another video all in itself. But so this is, we're gonna, for the sake of the video, we're gonna say this is a naked nail. And these nails that are clear and shiny are the naked nail with builder gel. And what the builder gel does is it creates a base for the dip powder to go over. But for those of us who like to change our nails very often, there's a method where you use the builder gel and a peel base so that you can just pop these off. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So a lot of times you can just go in there with your fingernail or a cuticle pusher and get between where the dip powder is and where the builder gel starts. So if there's lifting, that's really easy to do. If you're ready to remove it and you don't really have any lifting yet, then you can take your nail file and just break the seal around the edges so that you can expose that builder gel. So I'm going to kind of zoom in and show you what I'm talking about here, because there are layers. So let's see, we'll look on the, let's see, which one do we want to look at? We'll look at the pinky. So here, this is my natural nail, this very thin line here. And if you can see that little bit of clear right there, that is the builder gel. And then the color on top is the dip powder. So I'm gonna see if I have an edge. And actually, I think I might have went out of frame from, so I'm gonna say it again. This little white part right here is my nail. And then there's a very, very thin line of clear, which is the builder gel, and then the color on top. So this is, I'm just gonna actually going to put a little cuticle oil on because that helps with removal. And this is my all-time favorite. I am not a gung-ho person with one particular product, but I love this cuticle oil. So anyway, this is a nice little pen. You can put it in your purse, have it at your desk, whatever. And this just helps protect your skin in the event that we have to do any little bit of prying. This stuff smells so good. I tell you, this is my all-time favorite. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit. All right. So, as you can see, we'll get right here, just along the edge, and break that free from the builder gel. And this one is actually on there pretty good, so it might need the seal broken. Let's try this one. Oh, here we go. You see how it gets underneath there a little bit? Just the edge. And you can just pry it very, very gently and run that along underneath the color only. And it just goes boop, pops right off. And then your nails are already ready for their next dip powder manicure. So we're gonna try these others as well. See which ones I can get off without using the file. I think these are all on pretty good, which is why they haven't popped off yet and don't look like the other ones. I mean, you don't want to pry and dig because it's not good for your nails. If you can't get under it really easily, then you want to break the seal. This one's gonna come off. See? Boop. There's two. So I'm gonna use the file and go around the edges on these. Now, I'm doing these videos in probably a very weird order just because of the state that all my nails are in, but I figured I've got a multitude of things that I need to do. Remove old dip powder, do one nail from very beginning to very end, and some from the middle stage. So I figured I would do a few videos to show what to do in each of those stages. Sometimes you just need to repair. Oh, look, it came right off all by itself. It was just trying to break the seal and it popped right off. So that shows you how nicely that method works. Okay. Now, these are my natural nails under here, but the builder gel helps me keep them strong and long. Just trying to get a little piece going on here. If you have to file to break the seal, that means you did a good job. Your manicure's not gonna pop off in the middle of a dinner. And it's better to do just a little bit at a time so that you don't get into your natural nail, because you don't want to be filing and getting all gritty into your natural nail and causing damage. This one is being stubborn. Oh, so satisfying. Okay. There we go. And you want to make sure that you are just trying to remove the color, because if you get down underneath too far to where you're getting like under the edge of the actual builder gel, you don't want to be pulling that off of your nail and causing damage to your nail bed. There we go. So, see, I've got that little edge open, and I can just keep running that along until it makes a bigger space and gets underneath there, and it pops right off. This does not hurt. If it hurts, stop. If it hurts, you're doing something wrong. I'm gonna file a little bit more right here. There we go. And I lost my edge. Oh, there we go. Boop. And this one looks like the builder gel is lifting, so I may have another nail like this that I'm gonna have to redo. But that's okay. We can fix it. So as you can see, this is the builder gel on top of my natural nail. I'll go into more detail on what builder gel is in one of the other videos. This one is just to show you the easy removal process using the peel base. I will show you how to use a peel base in the future videos. So I'm sure there's a lot of you that are already familiar with dip powder and peel base and see people talking about it, but maybe you don't know exactly what to do or how to use it or how the removal works. So now you know. Oh, that was easy. Super, super easy. All right. So there we go. All removed. My nails are not damaged. Nothing. I'll have to repair this, but I can do that with the other video. So, I'm sure this probably was not the best commentary since this is my first video, but anything that I touched on that you may have questions about, please ask. It'll help me make my future videos better. I will try to put links down below the video with some of the products, or so that you can get to the products that I mentioned, especially this gel at Glisten and Glow is just the best. These are handmade cuticle oils. She has tons of scents. My all-time favorite is this spun sugar, though. It smells so good. All right, so if you are interested in seeing how I do my application process, go look at my other videos. Thanks. Bye.